Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the font size in the VK app on your phone. If you find the text too small or too large while browsing VK, this video will guide you. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you are inside the Settings menu, look for App Settings and click on it. Then, find and click on Font Size, which will show you 5 different options: Match System, Small, Normal, Large, and Extra Large. Finally, choose the option that suits your reading comfort the best. If you prefer the app to follow your phone's default font size, select Match System. Otherwise, pick Small, Normal, Large, or Extra Large according to your preference. By following these easy steps, you can make sure VK is comfortable to read every time you use it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.